It's coming together. It's coming together. I just put this on the, this is for a Ford F-150 2015 to a 2020. Yeah, that's what this goes to. But yeah, I got my saw, got everything ready. Man, I got about 100, 200 of these clamps. These are sold out. These motherfuckers is good. They strong. Hell yeah. I like this. I got my saw. Y'all already know what this is for, right? Yeah, man. Hey. I got my other, this is a corner clamp. I got the other one in the house. I gotta find that motherfucker up. Yup. And the trip is, I gave away about 40 of these, man. These clamps. Yup. I gave away about 40 of these. I ain't bullshitting. Yup. Hell yeah. But yeah, that's what this is for, a corner clamp. Yeah. I ain't got a chance to use, got this in it. It's already come in the case. Yeah. Yeah. Pocket hole. Hell yeah. You can tell you what I regret? I had about, I say 60 of these tables that I got from it wasn't a junk removal. They was putting brand new tables in this business. They was in the back. So I asked the dude, I said, hey man, can I have these tables? He was like, hell yeah. And I was slanging them like hotcakes. $50 a pop. Yep. But I think I fucked off about 15 of them. They was outside in front of the garage. Got wet. But this whole garage was like stack. I swear, this garage, outside, the side, in front of the garage, man. Yeah, I gotta get my other, I found my Rotozip too. Damn, man. I got so many tools, man. No shit. Anyway, yeah, homeboy supposed to be coming that line, and homegirl, she never showed up for that mirror. There be so many motherfucking flakes on Facebook. I swear. Anyway, let me go back in here, man. Yup. Already I put that one on, I put that, not that one, but that little red one. And I got another one in here. I gotta paint this though. I got that one back there. I'm gonna paint that back blue. I got two, what's in that? Man, this motherfucker, all this is good oil. I swear to them is empty right there. But all that's good oil. Yeah, man. Shit. Anyway, let me go back in here and find the rest of my shit. It's gonna be power. I'm starting another channel though. Just number wood shit. I'm trying to tell you, man. It's easy money. Hit the pawn shop. See, all my tools, pawn shop. Pawn shop. I swear, these came from a junk removal. These clamps. Man, everybody in that big, huge bag of those clamps. This right here. This is the whole thing of extensions. Man, shit. Don't play with me. Yo, let me go get the rest of my shit, man. Y'all already know.